like conversations weren't had. You know what I mean? It wasn't like they had these conversations like, they
That's really naive.
yeah, they just had like the smallest amount of flirting, if that.
And they still do.
Yeah, it's like, why are you coming? What'd you think? So, the couch is gonna go here.
Do they just screw in? I am not.
Pile, I have Teen Witch, The Munsters, which is the complete series, Casper, You've Got Mail, My Stepmother is an Alien. Now these are movies that like I personally would watch in this part of the year. Bewitched, Halloween, Hocus Pocus, Beetlejuice. I have a bunch of copies of these. Twilight, Birds of Prey, Suicide Squad, The Burbs, a brand new Beetlejuice, Halloween Town, Goonies, another Beetlejuice. I don't know why I have so many. The Monster Squad, Labyrinth, Death Becomes Her, and Gremlins. Now, Gremlins to me is a Halloween movie, even though it's Christmas, but I like to watch it for Halloween. All right, so here's how I organize it. The TV series are in the back, and then I have the fall ones up front since that's the season I'm in. I also went ahead and put the fall Blu-rays like closer to these. So Neverending Story, Ghostbusters, New Moon, or Twilight, Beetlejuice, Carrie, Salt, well not Salt, but so those are my Halloween Blu-rays. And now I'm going to do classics. In the classics I have Wizard of Oz, Xanadu, Grease 2, Adam and Evelyn, which this is my favorite of all time, The Beautiful Blonde from Bashful Bend, love that one, The Thrill of It All, How to Marry a Millionaire, The Prince and the Showgirl, Pollyanna, Let's Make It Legal, Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, and If a Man Answers. These are all some of my favorite classics. I have more, but these are just like the cases. These are some of my I Love Lucy specials, even though I should have put them back there because I have I Love Lucy back there. But this is the Christmas special. This is one that has like some of the episodes are actually in color, which is amazing. Another Christmas special, and then I guess the Lucy show, so we'll put those there. Now we're gonna do my 80s section. Now these are not all the movies I have, they're just the ones in these things. True Beverly Hills, was that 90s actually? I feel like it was 90s. Did I categorize this wrong? I'm gonna put that in a different category. We've got Fraternity Vacation, Mannequin 1 and 2, Protocol, Career Opportunities, Modern Girls, European Vacation, Don't Tell Mom the Babysitter's Dead, Fletch Lives, Adventures in Babysitting, Outrageous Fortune, Weird Science, 18 Again, Summer Vacation, Fletch, Porky's, and Doc Hollywood, which I think is 80s unless I have it wrong. Next to that, we're gonna do my 90s. So I've never had the 90s categorized, and I really wanna start doing 90s movies. I also wanna start buying more movies again, so I'm gonna try to find more classics and more 90s. So we've got, Summer Rental is actually 80s, so we'll slip that back here. So we've got Troop Beverly Hills, oops, French Kiss, Town and Country, Dick Tracy, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Rookie of the Year, I think these are 90s, The Three Musketeers, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, City Slickers, Multiplicity, and Clueless. All right, now we're gonna do Christmas movies. Christmas Kiss, Christmas with the Cranks, Christmas Cupid, A Medea Christmas, Santa Claus 2, Sabrina the Christmas Episodes, I think I got that at Dollar Tree, Christmas Bounty, this is like a 3-pack, Holiday in Handcuffs, Snow and Snow 2, then we have Santa Baby 2, Christmas in Boston and Snow Globe, we've got Jack Frost and Christmas Vacation 2. I actually hate Jack Frost, that was like the worst movie ever, like I did not like it. Santa Claus, Deck the Halls, Window in Wonderland. This is my favorite like Christmas movie, like it's in there, it's in the top 3. And this is, I think, how I bought it, I don't even know. And then The Munsters, Scary Little Christmas. And The 9 Lives of Christmas. And then we have my case, which has all of my other movies. Xanadu, Parent Trap, Burb, Sleepless in Seattle. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through all these. I've gone through these before, but I think these are categorized in 80s and 90s actually. And then Up, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these right here. And there we go.